Hello guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are a subscriber here, if you are new here, please consider subscribing and check out my other videos to see what I've been up to. So today I wanted to cover this thing with the influencers, our celebrities, public figures being talk of the town. This is something that we've all been always wondering. Well, the ones of us that are always overthinking literally every single thing when you see it online, especially the glitz and the glam of the internet world. So recently with the Madlanga Commission, people are being dropped. Names are being dropped left, right, and center where they have to answer and account for their monies and where they're coming from. And South Africans have been on this thing where they keep mentioning names whether it's on Twitter or TikTok, and wanting those people to be investigated by Madlanga because he seems to be the only person that is interested in the greater good of South Africa and sort of stopping corruption or at least decreasing it to a certain extent. And Speech posted a video where he was talking about the influencers and their lifestyles and how it is funded by poor people's monies because these influencers, these celebrities who have rich, filthy rich men, know where their men get their money. Most of the time, 90% of the time, in my opinion, they know because especially if you are a long-term partner, you've been with this person for so long, you know that they got that tender because a poor person from Timbisa, from Kwamashu, from wherever, was pew-pewed so that you can get that, so that something else could succeed and sort of spread the corruption further. But you still keep quiet and get the Gucci bag and get whatever else that comes with the riches that your man gives. This just shows Uguti, the glitz and the glam that you see on the internet shouldn't be something that you are hoping for, something that you are reaching for, because everybody now wants a rich man, forgetting that these rich men, they're sacrificing a lot and they're sacrificing black people who are poor and they're taking away from them. But then you want this, when you get there, you're like, I was going through a lot. Nami, there was another person who was rich, who was using black people's money, who are poor, were supposed to get this money, and I was one of those people. So now I'm gonna do what this person is doing. I'm gonna take the money and keep quiet. I'm gonna eat the meat and wipe the grease off my face so that it looks like I'm innocent. And Lerato's name has been coming up a lot. Uh, yeah, I guess a lot of people have always wondered why and how Lerato's husband is so rich, and whether or not he is corrupt, whether or not he does illegal things is a different story altogether because we won't know until he's called to answer, or until someone comes forward and says, here is the proof. I know what is going on. He is guilty and Lerato is in on it or not. But her name has been associated with many things, especially Lerato knowing where she comes from, Pimville, and how she grew up. I don't know her personally, obviously. I know things that I've seen online and things that she has said and shared. But you wouldn't expect that from someone who comes from that environment to take away from the poor if she is doing so as they are alleging, or if her husband is doing so and she knows as they are alleging. But listen to the video and let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
So I'm probably crashing out this morning because I'm really mad. Ilento sibonayo. Years revelations is banezikhutshwa ngumkhwanas, ne? And kusasesiqalelo ismos. Do you remember I told you the other day that the reason most of your celebrities and influencers are quiet when kuthethwa ngezinto ezidla umzi, it's because they are part of the problem. Ndanditshilo ngenye imini. Now, what really makes me mad about this entire thing is the fact that indoda yakho uyayazi uba yenzani man. Umvuma umazi. In fact, uya usazi into yokubana uligintsa. Ne? But ke ngoku sithi mos icebo lokuzityisa umvubo kukuzoselisa. You then pretend like awuboni for as long as you get your allowance, for as long as you get your luxury cars, for as long as you get your designer bags, for as long as you get your mansion, for as long as you travel to Europe 5 times a year, first class. For as long as uhamba uyonyantsula nje randomly emini phi Diamond Walk uqhakazele izi-bags uqhuba usifotele. Now, what disgusts me about it is uyayazi ba yonke le mali imali yenyembezi zabantu namagazi. Masiphume kweyamagazi ke mhlawumbe sithi imafias bezixabana yimali yabantu abangathathi intweni. Guys, umuntu uyamazi umuntu wakhe xa ene contracts angadeliverishi kuzo ube sinikwe ngumasipala. Uba avula indlela afaka amanzi, service delivery leyo. Aqhubana yenza lonto amkele millions. Who gets to suffer? It's not a person ohlala ku-affluent suburb. Ngabantu bakuthi who need landlela, who need lawo manzi, who depend kwezankonzo. Uyayazi into yobana umuntu wakho benikwe contract to deliver food ezikolweni, ezilokishini okanye ezilalini. Afumane a lot of contracts zala mali. Ungafika ukutya esikolweni. Akukho accountability, akukho nto ezawulandelelwa, itshone emboneni ingabonwa kubani olambayo. It's not kids who go to Michael House. Ngumntwana ubedepende kulaa meal ngalamini. You know ba umuntu wakho u-implicated ku-corruption yazizibhedlela. iThembisa is just one of them. Akuzozibhedlela ku-medi clinic eziya sithetha ngazo. Zizibhedlela zabantu bakuthi who depend kweza sibhedlela. Ithathwe imali, izi-resources ziphelelwe, kungafika i-treatment, bahambe ogqirha because kune-staff shortage ababhadalwa. You know exactly what your people do, la madoda wenu. But because ni-morally bankrupt, ngolona hlobo ningcolile, you'd rather keep quiet and you'd stay. Nala magintsa wenu, nisazi into yokubana abantu abaqhatshazwayo ngobani, and you keep quiet xa sithetha nge-corruption, you keep quiet xa sithetha ngomkhwanazi, nithi chwa empundweni zikatoki. You have known all along. And I really hope into yokubana you all get outed, because also ningumzekelo ombi kwabantwana abakhulayo ngoku. Kids are suddenly under pressure, instant gratification, because bayibone kuni. Nobody still honors into yokubana makaye esikolweni. Ewe siyayibona imisebenzi inqabile but imfundo sozibe out of fashion nanini na. But abe esikolweni aqale phansi umntwana abone ivalue ekwakheni ubomi bakhe. They have lost all of that because kaloku nebela bona nefamilies zabo abantu abangathathi intweni niphinde nizothini nizofront akwalapha kubo kuba qhayi ke mna ndithenge iPorsche. That makes me sick. That is what makes me sick ngayo yonke lento siyibonayo kwezi commission zivelayo. And your celebrities and your influencers andiqali kutsho ngoku ndiyatsho kwakhona bathula because isandla esikutyayo ngeke ukwazi ukusiluma, esikutyisayo ngeke ukwazi ukusiluma. They are beneficiaries of corruption. That's the truth.